1. Find out the correct statement. 1. The garnishee order is issued by the civil court. 2. The creditor may apply to the court for issue of a garnishee on the banker of his debtor. 3. The garnishee proceedings comprise of 2 steps: garnishee order nissi and garnishee order absolute. 4. Obligation of banker to honor his customer's check is not extinguished on receipt of garnishee order. A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B. 1, 2, and 3. C. 2, 3, and 4. D. 4 only. Answer option B. 2. Find out the correct statement. 1. In case of deposit accounts, the relationship is that of the debtor and a creditor. 2. In case of advance, the relationship is that of a creditor and debtor. 3. In case of safe custody deposit, the relationship is that bailor and bailee. 4. In case of collection of check, the relationship is that principal and agent. A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B. 1 and 2. C. 3 and 4. D. 4 only. Answer option B. 3. Find out the wrong statement. 1. The deposit in respect of which there are restrictions regarding withdrawals are called fixed deposit. 2. Fixed deposit receipt is not always marked not transferable. 3. Closing deposit before maturity date is called premature closing. 4. A fixed deposit can be transferable. A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B. 1, 2, and 4. C. 3, and 4. D. 2 and 4. Answer option D. 4. Find out the wrong statement. 1. Lion means the right to retain the goods and securities till the payment of debt. 2. General lion is the right of the banker. 3. Agreement is necessary to exercise a lion. 4. General lion is defined in Section 171 of Indian Contract Act. A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B. 1, 2, and 4. C. 3 only. D. 2 and 4. Answer option C. 5. Find out the wrong statement. 1. MSFR was introduced in monetary policy of RBI for the year 2011-2012. 2. MSFR is the rate at which bank can borrow overnight from RBI. 3. MSFR represents the upper band of interest corridor and reserve repo is the lower band repo rate in the middle. 4. MSFR was originally intended to be 1% above the repo rate. A. All are correct. B. All are wrong. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2 and 4. Answer option A. 6. Find out the correct statement. 1. The only one RRB in Kerala is Kerala Grameen Bank. 2. The head office of KGB is Thiruvananthapuram. 3. KGB's sponsored bank is Canara Bank. 4. KGB is largest RRB in India. A. All are correct. B. All are wrong. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2 only. Answer option D. 7. Find out the correct statement. 1. The Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, DICGC, come into existence on July 15, 1978. 2. The authorized capital of the corporation is Rs. 50 crore, which is fully issued and subscribed by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. 3. A Deputy Governor of RBI is the Chairman of DICGC. 4. All commercial bank only can covered DICGC. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 4 only. D. 2 and 4. Answer option C. 8. Find out the correct statement. 1. The Banking Ombudsman Scheme was introduced under Section 35 of Banking Regulation Act. 2. The Ombudsman is a senior official appointed by Reserve Bank of India to redress customer complaint against deficiency in certain banking services. 3. The Ombudsman has a small fee for fulfilling and resolve customer complaint. 4. Appellate authority for the Banking Ombudsman vested with Deputy Governor of RBI. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 4 only. D. 2 and 4. Answer option B. 9. Find out the correct statement. 1. Accepting deposits. Customers can deposit money into a commercial bank through savings, fixed, and current accounts. 2. Lending money. Commercial banks lend money to individuals and businesses, earning interest on the loans. 3. Credit creation. Commercial banks create money or credit in the economy by lending money. 4. Bill discounting. Commercial banks discount business bills. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 4 only. D. 2 and 4. Answer option A. 10. Find out the correct statement. 1. Branch banking allows a financial institution to expand its services outside of its home location. 2. Unit banking is a banking practice where a single branch of a bank handles all banking activities in a specific area. 3. A holding company is a corporation or LLC that buys and controls other companies, called subsidiaries. 4. A subsidiary company is a business that is owned or controlled by another company, known as the parent or holding company. A. All are correct. B. All are wrong. C. 1, 2, 3. D. 2 only. Answer option A.